Welcome to the Partnership Workshop page. I have been an entrepreneur for 20 years and I've built some pretty amazing things without necessarily having the technical know-how or the creative brilliance that is expressed through the offerings I have built over the years. I have also created relationships with other organizations, people, creators, and contributors to Magic Media, to Magic Kids, and I've done it all without spending a massive fortune on these relationships to enroll people in my visions. And in this workshop, I'm going to share a whole bunch of the different types of partnerships that I have figured out over the years, the way that these partnerships work, how to figure out the right way to create a win-win partnership so that instead of needing to find $100,000 or more to bring people into your vision, you can create strategic alliances with other people you love and want to work with, and everybody can end up a winner at the end. We're going to be going through the nitty-gritty of this is what to do, what not to do. You're going to be filling out some forms so you understand what kind of partnerships you could go into. You're going to really lay things out so that at the end of the workshop, you can really have a clear idea of communicating the kinds of roles you're looking for and what variations of strategic partnerships you could apply so that you could get started today. Because I tell you, and I've learned this from my own personal experience, there's a lot of brilliant creators, techies, designers, videographers, audio engineers that are working crappy corporate jobs right now. And if you can paint the picture of what you're trying to build and enroll them in a conversation, there's a good chance some of those people will work part-time with you in exchange for a piece of the action, as in the revenue share that comes in from what you build together. This workshop is going to seriously blow your mind about what is possible when you come together and you collaborate for a common mission, vision, and goal. But you, as the visionary of your project, have to be able to communicate what you're trying to do and what you need. So that's going to be a part of what we do in this workshop. If you want to create powerful partnerships with other creatively brilliant people to come into your vision and support you with what you're trying to do, I'm going to teach you how I've done that over the last 20 years and the variations of what's worked and what hasn't worked. And then you're going to be able to go do that for yourself as well. If that sounds good, then sign up today.